Welcome to our PowerFX series. Today, we're talking about the multiplication operator, the asterisk. It's straightforward, but incredibly powerful. You can use it to scale values, calculate totals, and even work with percentages. Let's take a look at it then. Imagine you have two numbers, 8 and 3. Using the multiplication operator, 8 times 3 equals 24. This seems pretty easy math, right? This operator is all about scaling values, and it's used in so many practical scenarios, which we will take a look at now. In PowerApps, multiplication is perfect for things like calculating costs. If users enter a price and a quantity in two text inputs, you'd write value price input dot text, asterisk value quantity input dot text. This multiplies the price by the quantity to give us the total cost. You can even use it for percentages, like applying a 10% tax by multiplying the total by 1.1. Now, over in Copilot Studio, let's say you're working with variables. You've created one called daily sales. If you want to project sales for a whole week, you could use daily sales asterisk 7. While you can use things like Copilot and other programs to help suggest these expressions, knowing how multiplication works lets you fine-tune your expressions as needed. And that's the multiplication operator. Whether you're scaling values, calculating totals, or applying percentages, it's an easy-to-use operator in PowerFX. If this video has helped you, consider hitting those like and subscribe buttons to help the channel grow. See you next time.